In the heart of the wilderness, some secrets aren't buried. They're broken and left for dead. What you are about to witness will redefine the meaning of impossible. This is an astonishing story of resilience and the incredible will of one woman to bring giants of steel back to life. The rescue is only the first step. Now, the real transformation begins. Within this makeshift workshop, a meticulous process unfolds. She must diagnose the machine's hidden failures. Every component holds a clue to its silence. With practiced hands, she begins the deconstruction. Each part is carefully removed, a puzzle in reverse. Years of neglect are stripped away. This is more than repair, it is a mechanical resurrection. Searching for the single point of failure. Uncovering the heart of the problem. With every piece inspected, a plan forms. The reassembly begins, a symphony of steel and skill. A quiet confidence marks the final checks. The engine, once silent, is poised for rebirth. Each turn of the wrench is precise, deliberate. She breathes new life into old valves and springs. The intricate assembly continues, piece by piece. The fuel lines, the arteries of the machine, are secure. There is no room for error. Precision is paramount in this delicate dance. The engine slowly becomes whole again. But the wild presents another challenge. A different machine, another impossible situation. Once again, she must rely on pure ingenuity, harnessing what little power she has to move the immovable. Teamwork and tenacity prevail. Back in the sanctuary of the workshop, the work begins anew. Stripping away the damaged layers to find the core. Inspecting the vehicle's nerve center. Mending the broken frame. Installing the heart of the machine. A diagnostic test reveals the electrical ghost. Navigating a complex web of wires. She traces the hidden electrical faults with a master's touch. A single connection can change everything. The machine begins to show signs of life. Final adjustments are made with intense focus. Reconnecting the final wires in the complex system. The transformation is almost complete. A new shell gives the machine a new identity. Strength and beauty forged from scrap. The ultimate test, a triumphant return to the road. Yet another fallen giant awaits her touch. The process of revival is demanding, relentless. This machine is larger, the challenge greater. The complete disassembly begins. Every bolt and bearing tells a part of its story. She catalogs each piece with practiced efficiency. The sheer scale of the task is daunting. But her determination never wavers. Down to the very bones of the machine. Only by taking it all apart can it ever be made whole again. The first step is to wash away the years of decay. Reshaping the metal, restoring its integrity. Rust and ruin are her raw materials. She uncovers hidden components, long seized up. A chemical bath to dissolve the corrosion. Patiently freeing each individual piece. A moment of rest amid the exhaustive labor. Order emerges from the chaos. New life is pressed into the heart of the mechanism. The restored parts gleam, ready for reassembly. Each seal must be perfect. The intricate process of reconstruction begins. Slowly, the machine regains its form. The resurrected gearbox is fitted into place, connecting the core to the axle. A pivotal moment in the machine's rebirth. The wheels are prepared to carry the weight once more. A seamless integration of old and new. The final pieces of the powertrain are installed. A triumphant conclusion. What was broken is now unbreakable. In her garage, another project awaits. She takes to the road, ready for the next challenge. Her work often takes her deep into the untamed land. Here, another machine has fallen victim to the terrain. Overturned and abandoned, it seems a total loss. Her trusty transport vehicle is key to the recovery. With sheer force of will, she begins the extraction. Even in the field, the diagnosis begins. She starts dismantling it right where it fell. Every part is a dead weight she must overcome. Using simple levers, she accomplishes an incredible feat of strength. Improvising with whatever tools she has. Every detail is critical to lift the heavy frame safely. Working alone, her focus is absolute. The painstaking process of reassembly under the open sky. Power tools bring speed to her precise work. Crafting custom solutions from raw materials. The machine is slowly being reborn. The final bolt is tightened with care. A look of satisfaction. The impossible is possible once more. The work is never truly done. Each new project requires a deep dive into its mechanical soul. Her hands read the story told by the wires and steel. It's a language of mechanics she knows by heart. A quiet moment of triumph as one stage is complete. The entire structure must be broken down. Not a single piece is overlooked. Then, the ultimate test of her repair. The terrain fights back, testing her work. Sometimes, even she needs a helping hand. Her skills are versatile, adapting to any engine. This time, she performs a complete engine transplant, placing a new heart into an old frame. Her tools are an extension of her hands. Efficiency and power in perfect harmony. Double-checking every connection. The final pieces fall into place. A complex surgery nears its conclusion. One last inspection before the moment of truth. The engine roars to life, a testament to her skill. In this outdoor workshop, art and mechanics merge. Each part is clean and coated, prepared for a new duty. The intricate assembly of the engine's valve train. The restored components are returned to the engine block. Slowly, meticulously, the engine is rebuilt from the inside out. A powerful Hyundai engine, given a second chance. The moment comes to reunite the engine with the truck's frame. The final connections are made. But disaster strikes. A flash flood traps the vehicle. A desperate struggle against the power of nature. She wades into the torrent, refusing to give up her prize. Her resolve is tested by the raging water. Help arrives to pull the truck from the river's grasp. Slowly, it emerges from the muddy depths. The long journey back to the workshop. A rescued machine, scarred but not beaten. And so the work must begin all over again. Every part must be rechecked after the flood. Her patience is as endless as her skill. Finally, the project is complete, a true triumph. The complexity of a diesel engine is laid bare. The first step is always deconstruction. Removing the heavy, cumbersome parts. She works with an unstoppable rhythm. Cleaning the cylinder head, preparing the valves. Examining the delicate fuel injection system. Her hands, stained with grease, hold the engine's lifeblood. Torquing the bolts to exact specifications. In her world, every detail matters. Purging the components of all impurities. The painstaking process of reseating the valves. A new gasket ensures a perfect seal. The engine head is secured back onto the block. The valve assembly is carefully reconstructed. One by one, the engine systems are restored. This is a symphony of mechanical precision. The air intake manifold is reattached. The cooling fan is installed, ready to tame the heat. Final connections are made and tightened. The engine awakens, billowing smoke, a sign of victory. Her work is a testament to the power of the human spirit. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Fuan's Bushcraft for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.